is insane. Your ball rolled away. Need a better camera if she's going to keep going this fast.
My God, she's getting faster. You're gonna have a big job ahead of you keeping up with this little thing. Look at you. You're gonna be in that monkey leash pretty soon. It said 18 months. I don't know if that's accurate.
Oh, this toy really gets out a lot of energy, doesn't it?
She's performing.
It's called a ball, not a... Laundry.
I folded them.
Time to destroy. Lorian, have you calmed down yet? Calm down. Shh. Be calm. Calm down. Where are you going, Lorian?
Boy.
Wow.
That was a trick.
You're not a dog, Lorian. Get the ball out of your mouth.
Oh, she's doing that thing with her nose. Lorian.
No, no. Lorian, say goodbye to your adoring fans. Lorian. Oh, Jesus. What the hell is she?
She's a wild woman.
Don't you think you've beat that ball up enough? Oh, Lord. Lord. You're insane. How much more do you think she got in her?